How to create a personal voice on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And here we're going to tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Personal Voice. Then tap on Create a Personal Voice at the top. And from here, it says record yourself, read 150 phrases aloud, which may take about 15 minutes. And here you generate your personal voice. iPhone will create and securely store your personal voice and communicate with personal voices. Type to speak using live speech. Personal voice also works with spoken content, voiceover, and augmented speech apps. So tap on the continue button to proceed. Here, select a language and then tap on continued and say go to a quiet place, speak naturally, and take your time. So tap on the continue button. And here it said select a phrase preference. So here you can choose continue with default phrases or use shorter phrases. So I'm going to tap on continue with default phrases. And now it is setting up the session. Now this may take some time to load up, but once it has loaded up, you can then proceed to read out the phrases to train your personal voice. So I'm just going to tap on the cancel button here. And you can see at the top here, it will create a new profile, a new personal voice data profile. And from here, you can choose to continue recording, export voice recording, or delete a voice data. And then you can tap on start training again to set up your voice data. It's not doing anything at the moment. So if you go back and tap on create personal voice, and then you might need to reselect all the items, and then just wait for the session to load up again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.